A tunnel bag is a type of bag or accessories for your scooter. So this type of bag can be placed in the middle of an automatic motorcycle or scooter such as the Bergman, NMAX, PCX, maxi scooters like Kimco X-Town, Kimco Exciting, Kimco AK550, Yamaha X-Max, Yamaha T-Max, and similar scooters or maxi scooters. They help you store various items in a practical way and optimize the space in your maxi scooter or scooter. It really helps you store several items or important items that you need to get conveniently. It also optimizes the space that you have in your maxi scooter or scooter, so you'll have an easy access to your items through that luggage or space in your maxi scooter or scooter. The advantages of this Scoot tunnel bag from 7 Gear is that the design is unique. It has a big compartment or storage area with left and right side pockets. Then it has two inner pockets for your phone, four strap buckles, a 3M Velcro, a YYK zipper, a 3M side reflective for night riding, one strap per sling bag, and a transparent rain cover. Then they gave me also some freebies like t-shirts and stickers. So this is a nice deal. If you want to check the item, you can go to this website or their online. If you will buy this in their online store, they can offer you their own shipping services, or you can look for your own shipping services online. As for me, I'm from the Philippines. I got the services of Buy and Ship PH, which for the shipping, they have a warehouse in Indonesia and they handle the shipping from the Philippines, which is much cheaper. Maybe in the future, I will show you how to use the services of Buy and Ship PH, especially if you're here in the Philippines. I have several tunnel bags actually, but most of them or all of them have the same look, structure, or aesthetics. So I'm looking for a different tunnel bag, aesthetically wise, looks different, and that's why I end up with this Scoot tunnel bag from 7 Gear Indonesia. As you can see, the aesthetics or design looks different from all other tunnel bags that's available in the market, especially here locally. I have no problem with my other tunnel bags. All of them are good tunnel bags. The only issue I have is that in the looks department or aesthetic department, I'm really looking for something new or different. So that's why I end up with this bag. Plus, the compartment or storage area is really big. You can store a lot of items or gadgets that you can access easily. For example, I want to get some of my action cameras like my Insta360, GoPro, or DJI Pocket. So with the tunnel bag, it's easy to access those items. You can store also a lot of small items in the side pockets. One thing I like about this tunnel bag is the waterproof cover, because some of the tunnel bags has black colored cover for their tunnel bags. This one has a transparent waterproof cover. So even in the rain or if the weather is bad or stormy weather, since the cover is transparent, you can still see the bag. This tunnel bag has a more attractive motif with this leathery material to support the look of the bag, which makes it unique and cooler once you take a glimpse of it. So here's how the tunnel bag looks when I use it as a shoulder bag. Then in this area, there's a Velcro So you can attach it to your maxi scooter or scooter to add more safety so that the bag will be firm on that position. Then it has strap buckles too, where you can also put that strap under your seat so that the bag holds firmly on the middle part of the scooter or maxi scooter. So here's the price of the Scoot Tunnel bag from 7 Gear. So my final thoughts for this bag is that after seeing it and after testing it and putting it on my maxi scooter, I love the design. I love the big compartment from the main storage to the side pockets. I love how it firmly holds when it's positioned in the panel area of the scooter or maxi scooter. The price of the item is worth it because of how good looking it is when it's in your maxi scooter or scooter. So it's a big thumbs up for me. So hopefully one of these days I can test the bag, especially when I'm riding or if I have a long ride or mini long ride in the next few days. So for now, that's it. Thank you for watching.